What's going on, everyone? Enzo here, coming at you guys with a quick unboxing. It's a little bit different than what we normally do. This time it is an unboxing on the brand new Spektrum NX8 radio. For those that know me personally, long time ago, I used to be into flying and I used to enjoy helicopters and 3D flight. And I think we might be getting back into it. So I wanted to do a little quick unboxing on the NX8, see what you get in the box, and check out this new radio. So let's go ahead and get it opened up, pull it out, and see what it looks like. All right, so as soon as you open the box, you are greeted by some stickers. Never a bad thing to get some cool stickers. Then you get a behemoth of a book, of an instruction manual, plenty of source material to go over there. Probably how to register the radio with Horizon and Spektrum, and all your information that you're going to need when operating. Here is the important thing. Let's go ahead and lift this up, and bam, there it is. I did get just the radio only. I didn't get the one that comes with the receiver or anything like that. USB charge cable, so you can charge your radio. Looks like a little Allen driver to be able to adjust the gimbals. Simple stuff there. You get a pretty cool little Spektrum NX, I believe, branded neck strap for your remote, and then the radio itself. So we'll go ahead and pull the plastic off of the radio, and we'll go ahead and do its initial power up. And right off the rip, here it is. So you got all the plastic pulled off of it. Really nice radio. It's actually really lightweight. So for those of you that like a lighter feeling radio, that's going to come in handy. Me personally, I've been away from flying for a couple years, so I don't really have a preference on it since I haven't been holding a flight radio for a while, and I haven't really built up a tolerance to a heavier or light radio. I don't think it's going to matter too much for me coming back into it, but for those of you already on a Futaba or a JR, or maybe an older Spektrum, and if it had some weight to it and you want a lighter radio, definitely very light in the hands, and it feels really good in the hands as well. It's got a really nice feel to it. The rubber grips definitely make it feel secure. The gimbals are pretty smooth. They have a good feel to them. The grips feel really good. Overall fit and finish looks really nice. Definitely pretty nice radio. So that is the radio and what you get. I'll definitely be making a little bit of a video to show you guys what we get stepping back into the flight world. And yeah, that is definitely what you get in the box. I'm going to go ahead and peel off that sticker, and we'll go ahead and do an initial power up. Plastic is off, and here comes the first power up. There it is. The Spektrum NX8. So once we get a little bit more time with it, I go ahead and do the unboxing to our heli that we are stepping back into, and I get a little bit of hours with it. I'll definitely come back and do an update video on my initial impressions using the radio. Mind you, it's been a couple years since I've flown. So we are going to be having an initial impressions for someone that's taken a couple years off coming back in. So I basically feel like a newbie all over again because I have to relearn everything. So for any of you that are switching from a different radio or switching from a different company, this will be a good comparison for someone that is completely new to the new line of Spektrum radios and has to learn the basics of how they work and how they are to operate with your model, or learning the function. So this will be a good comparison for anyone looking to switch to the NX radio series or looking to do an upgrade maybe from the old one. So that was the unboxing and initial power up of the Spektrum NX8. So thanks everyone for watching. Stay tuned.